Morning, guys. Okay, so let's check it again, just in case. Alright, okay, so the fluctuation we had yesterday, well, it basically came down now, which is fine also. Everything's going the same, like I'm not changing anything still, okay? So it's a little bit kind of like fast-ish, but it's alright. I don't think it's gonna continue next week. And also it's kind of like balancing itself out, it seems like. Just a leg day today, 2,600 calories. So I'm gonna have my breakfast, coffee, and I will head to gym. I will see you guys at the gym, right? So I'm at the gym now. It's leg day, the brutal one. As you know, I'm not filming my warm-ups anymore, but I still warm up just the same as I've done on day 1, day 2, day 3. It's the same. I'm just not filming them anymore, okay? Because like there are some people who just started watching these 6 weeks out series. So I'm just not filming my warm-ups anymore. I do at least like 10 minutes or 15 minutes of warm-up, all right? So still the same. If you want to know how it goes, like go watch like prior episodes, okay? So we still warm up. We have another grunter now. He's like doing 35 pounds on Scott Rex. I like screaming. So 35 pounds. Oh my god. And he's dressed like Robocop. Knee pads, like waistband, everything. He's in serious mode now. He took off his t-shirt. Alright, let's start. $155 BPM, Dr. Eric. So it was a PR for me also. I did 27 reps, and then 25 reps. I will talk to you maybe more about it. Like normally I would increase the weight because when I'm doing like for example 3 sets of 20s, when I tell you, normally I don't like going past 20 reps, okay? If I'm able to go past 20 reps on 3 sets, I will definitely increase the weight, except for like sumo squats kind of thing, because I'm like being a little bit too cautious, let's say, okay? I don't want to like load my back too much. So this is how you prepare the diet. You see, I've increased the weight again, by the way. 35 and 45, 10 pounds on each side. And my reps still increased compared to last week. we don't give up with our tries on progressive overload, okay? Doesn't matter about your diet or anything. We still try to get the best and improve on a week by week basis. Back extensions now. Last exercise. So, one last exercise, guys, and another brutal leg day is over. So, let's go. Leg day is over. I've been caught up with answering your comments on on my phone on the last exercise. But yeah, it's over now. So I'll see you guys on recap, right? Hey guys, so it is another recap time. Today was a leg workout, and also my weight compared to yesterday dropped by 0.4 kilos, I think, which is like 0.9 pounds almost. So it's pretty good, to be honest. Like yesterday I had a little bit of a weight bump, but then it came down again. So I'm quite happy with how things are going right now, especially considering the fact that I just made some changes, you know, last Sunday. So aside from that, today during training, I made like quite a bunch of comments about how I'm still progressing at the gym in terms of my reps or my, you know, weights and stuff like that. So if you are following this program properly, then this is pretty much what should be happening with you as well. If you are not progressing at all, if you're not, you know, if you're like losing strength, or there must be something wrong, okay? So I'm sorry, like I cannot get into it like too much in this recap, but if you're having such issues, like go back and watch, like, I don't know, my active rest days or something, because in those days I speak like a little bit more about this kind of stuff. So that is one. The other thing that I really want to talk about is that, I mean, there's been one comment, okay? Someone mentioned that that, you know, they have like sleep apnea when they go on a cut. So you know, sometimes when I talk to you like on camera, because it's like a vlog kind of thing, right, that I'm doing, I talk about like how I'm feeling and stuff like that. So when I tell you that I'm sleepy or something, I don't mean that I'm having sleep apnea, or like I don't mean that I'm having like sleep deprivation, okay? So when I have those, I will let you know, but I'm not there yet, okay? My body fat is not that low to the point where it's gonna start affecting my sleep. So if you are also following this program and on week 4 you're having like sleep apnea or like sleep deprivation, you are definitely doing something wrong, okay? It shouldn't happen. You most likely aren't as lean as I currently am. So you should not be having these issues, okay? I sleep like a baby when I go to bed. It's just I'm too busy, and therefore I go to bed a little bit late, and then I wake up early in the morning so that I can go to the gym a little bit early, and then record and film everything basically at the gym during those workouts. And that's why I'm trying to go, like, as you know, around like 9 a.m. because during that time I found out that the gym is like not crowded at all, so it makes it a lot easier for me, because I don't like to disturb other people, if that makes any sense, when I'm like filming stuff. You know, I don't want to be like in people's way, or I don't want people to feel uncomfortable because there is like a camera filming. So that is the main reason why I'm picking this time specifically, so that, you know, I don't basically disturb anyone when I'm like filming my stuff, okay? So no sleep apnea, nothing, okay? I'm just sharing how I'm feeling. And also one of the reasons why I share about like my sleep and stuff is that sometimes you might be feeling down, you might be like a little bit, I don't know, weak, or, you know, haven't slept enough, but I still go and push 100%, okay? So this is also one of the reasons why I share this kind of stuff with you guys. And if the time comes, I don't think it's gonna come, because like this is a 6-week challenge, and I'm literally, like, said it many times, I'm not planning to go as shredded as, like, you know, my previous transformation video. So I don't think I'm gonna get to the levels where I'm gonna be, you know, having sleep issues, okay? So, but if I do, I will let you know, don't worry. I'm always like honest, transparent, all that, alright? So don't wanna keep it too long. Tomorrow is a pool day, it's 6th day, and on active rest day, maybe we can talk a little bit more. So if you have any questions, please comment, okay? Active rest day is coming. So I can answer like some questions, and I can, you know, talk a little bit more during those. I wanna keep these like a little shorter. So anyways, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys tomorrow on pool day.